Greetings, adventurers! Welcome again to Alachua County Library's program series, How Do I Play Dungeons & Dragons? I'm your host and dice hoarder, Danie, and it's time we were getting to know those dice. The dice are the most important tool in any Dungeons & Dragons game. They're commonly called dragon dice. A standard set includes 7 different dice. Not all of them get used frequently in a Dungeons & Dragons game, but it's best to keep them all handy for those odd rolls. They're identified by the number of sides they each have. So the dice you and I know very well from board games like Monopoly has 6 sides, and it's called the D6. There's also a D4, a D8, a D10, a D12, and D20. There's also an extra D10 die that has double digits on it for the tens place. This is called a D100 die, or a percentage die, because you roll it with the regular D10 to get numbers from 1 to 100. They do actually make dice with 100 sides, but it's essentially a ball. You'll often see in the manuals it says something like 2D10 or 3D6 or 5D4 or so on. It's just shorthand to tell you how many times to roll that die. Just remember, the first number is how many times you roll, and the D in the second number is just telling you which die. So in these cases, you'd roll the D10 2 times, the D6 3 times, and the D4 5 times. Pretty easy stuff, right? Don't worry, I know you've got this. Happy gaming!